If you have 100,000 pesos and you're asking yourself, anong negosyo ba ang magandang simulan? Next is Silog and Coffee Cart. Filipinos love Tapsilog and brewed coffee, right? Perfect pang umaga negosyo. Alright, so what you need, rice meals like Tapsilog, Tosilog, and Lugaw, plus hot brewed or Barako coffee. Capital breakdown, 25,000 for the cart, 30K for kitchen gear, 30K for ingredients, 15K for permits and buffer. And the permits required are DTI, barangay and mayor's permit, and of course, health certificates for food handling. Usual common issues, spoilage is number one, and consistency in taste. Solution, just standardize recipes and use proper food storage. Use a tent or shaded cart during hot or rainy days. Location tips, set up near schools, terminals, or busy corners. Foot traffic is key. Marketing offer free samples, use TikTok and Facebook videos to show your cooking process, offer loyalty cards like 10 meals plus 1 free meal. Income projection, we have 3,000 daily or 78,000 per month. 2 months ang ROI natin dito. You can add delivery, iced coffee, or open a second or third or fourth cart and more as your scalability.